Audience response systems are a type of interaction that creates interactivity between a presenter and his or her audience. Most popular here at the University of Arizona is the Turning Point Technology Student Response System. Most of us just refer to these as clickers. Studies have shown that these clickers can improve students' attentiveness and knowledge retention. The clickers allow teachers to get feedback immediately and confirm whether or not the audience is following key points. The benefits of both gathering data that can be reported and analyzed with the added benefit of creating a fun, interactive learning environment makes this technology a top one for educators. Even with these positives, there are still some negatives to using clicker technologies. The price for the technology is not cheap and can be a huge burden on an educational budget. Also, manipulation of the clickers by the audience is very common and can result in biased responses.
So, pros and cons of letting students use graphing calculators during tests. For pro, I believe that students should be allowed to use them, when taking a hard math or science test. But a con can be when, students are cheating, downloading games, you know, using things as a distraction, pretty much.
Websites can be beneficial for students and teachers. With websites like Math Excel and VHL Central, students can access their homework, take tutorials, practice, and even view ebooks online. With websites like D2L, students have access to web quizzes, due dates, discussion boards, and lectures. Certain websites provide an unlimited amount of information regarding any subject a student wishes to research. However, sites like Wikipedia, which provides what seems to be great information, is not a very reliable source, considering anyone can edit this web-based encyclopedia. Lastly, certain websites like Facebook and Twitter can be a huge distraction for students in the learning environment. The best solution, if you do allow internet use in the classroom, is to monitor websites. Cell phones are another technological device we chose to analyze. When used outside the classroom environment, cell phones can be very beneficial and helpful. Students are able to contact their group members or other people who could potentially help. Yet when cell phones are brought inside the classroom, they only distract students from their learning experience. Allowing students to use their cell phones during class encourages texting, game playing, and many other forms of distraction. The best advice we have for future teachers would be to ban cell phone use in the classroom in order to keep your students engaged.